432 species in genus Dryopteris. Diving deep into Dryopteris, a fern fanatic's perspective. Hi, I'm Fervu, and I've always been fascinated by the intricate beauty of ferns. Their delicate fronds and vibrant green hues bring a touch of ancient wilderness to any space. Among my favorites is the Dryopteris genus, a diverse group of ferns commonly known as wood ferns, male ferns, or buckler ferns. What captivates me most about Dryopteris is their resilience and adaptability. They thrive in various environments, from shady woodlands to rocky slopes, showcasing their remarkable ability to flourish in challenging conditions. This hardiness, coupled with their aesthetic appeal, makes them a popular choice for gardens and landscaping. Unpacking the Dryopteris genus. Dryopteris belongs to the family Polypodiaceae and boasts a rich diversity with over 400 species distributed worldwide. These ferns are characterized by their distinctive features. Slowly creeping rootstocks. These form a crown, giving rise to a vase-like arrangement of fronds. Round-sori with peltate indusium. These are the reproductive structures found on the underside of the fronds. Variety in frond size and shape. From the compact Dryopteris filexmos to the expansive Dryopteris goldiana, the genus offers a wide array of frond morphologies. A glimpse into Dryopteris diversity. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I advocate for Dryopteris. My admiration for Dryopteris stems not only from their beauty but also their ecological importance. These ferns play a vital role in their ecosystems. Providing shelter for wildlife, the dense foliage offers refuge for small mammals, birds, and insects. Preventing soil erosion, their extensive root systems help stabilize the soil, reducing erosion and runoff. Contributing to biodiversity, as a vital part of the understory, they contribute to the overall health and diversity of forest ecosystems. In addition to their ecological benefits, Dryopteris ferns offer numerous advantages for gardeners and plant enthusiasts. Low maintenance. Once established, they require minimal care, making them ideal for busy gardeners. Shade tolerance. They thrive in shady conditions, adding greenery to areas where many other plants struggle. Deer resistance. Unlike many other garden plants, Dryopteris are generally unpalatable to deer, offering a reliable solution for deer-prone areas. Cultivating Dryopteris. Tips from a fern enthusiast. Growing Dryopteris is a rewarding experience, and with a few simple tips, you can ensure their success in your garden. Choose the right location. Select a shady spot with well-drained soil. Provide adequate moisture. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry periods. Mulch around the plants. This helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Divide mature plants. This can be done in spring or fall to propagate new ferns. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the beauty and resilience of Dryopteris ferns in your own garden. A continuing fascination. My journey with Dryopteris is an ongoing exploration. I'm constantly amazed by their diversity, resilience, and ecological significance. Whether I'm admiring their graceful fronds in a woodland setting or cultivating them in my garden, these ferns never cease to inspire me. I encourage everyone to take a closer look at the often overlooked world of ferns, particularly the Dryopteris genus. Their beauty, resilience, and ecological importance make them a true treasure in the plant kingdom.